Hey, what's up, Fugazis? Welcome to Lawson's Kitchen. I got some ingredients for something special. Boom! Some call it the Whitney formula, but what it is a recipe for success. At first, we got some funnels. Then we put some content in there. Next, we put a little sprinkle of some ads in there. Every single time we do this, people skip it. We always add a little value, you know what I'm saying? Then you're always gonna put a little bit of email in there, give it that big mwah. Something like... Mamma mia! I'm gonna throw this in the oven right now. Something light, something special. 350 for 20 capiche. It's gonna be amazing. Mwah. Take a look at this bad boy real quick. Media wood? This isn't what I need. Oh yeah! Forgot about the secret ingredient. Sprinkle will do you. Another 5 minutes. Ooh, it's ready. All right, this is awesome. That's exactly it right there. So if you Fugazis want the whole recipe, just click the link and check the academy. It's all in there.